Blessed be our new founding fathers.
Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Rick. You already know what we do. We race, we fix our cars, we install all types of parts on our cars. With that said, today is race day. I am on a base tune, so we're gonna see what the wideband is reading. But if it's safe to run, I'm gonna run it. But this is mine. That's my brother's. It's not white. I know it kind of looks white, but it's actually primer right now because we are gonna paint it. But it's a sick setup, nitrous car. Mine's a blower car. We also got some gauges installed, but we haven't wired them. I know it's dirty, but I didn't have time to clean it, man. It was crazy, but we did install a 50mm blow valve, as you can go see in my other video. But yeah, let's see how the car runs. Pretty much, I don't really know. I went to go test it. The belt looked fine. Everything holded up really beautiful. So pretty much with that said, and let me show y'all. My brother actually made some shirts. He was like, I'm gonna design some shirts. With our logo. So this is beautiful. This is for the back. This is the front, my name. He also has his wife actually makes the shirts. I am gonna put the name and the link to Facebook. If y'all are from Eagle Pass, Texas, y'all can go and get some shirts from her. She also does a lot of other designs, so make sure you go hit her up. So with that said, guys, we're gonna take off to the races. Reggie's also getting his drag pack on it, on his car, on his 10-speed. He's also gonna be going. So let's get it, guys, and let's have a good race day, and hopefully nothing breaks in the car.
We go forever now. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm a trendsetter. You would say you can do better. No, it won't let up. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You would say you can do better. You would say you can do better. I know that I can do better. I'm so in love with the cheddar. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top on the basement. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7, East Bordeaux. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Up in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Up in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
I'm trying to touch the States this time. 2021. Gotta show him I can still rap though.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it was the beamer, now I want the bench. Spending all the back, yeah, I go again. Outside since the church, my accounts on. Told you I'ma make it, the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like the paper on? Every day wake up and I thank God. Better cities, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. Got you wishing you could say now. I said the beauty, you could get here any day now. On my mama, I'ma move, I finally wait out. With some 20s, I been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Now I got $1 for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if he won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me, told me take a break. I keep going to the peak. Until my teeth break. If I take a job, I gotta get it done. I said it before, I'm a 101. I just got some ones, only wearing ones. Only get the funds, money make me run. Diamonds on the neck, that they on the neck. You want that watch, you better rock it back. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but keep it make it stretch. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait.